What does blockchain mean? And why can crypto know the worldwide? Talking about crypto assets cannot be separated from the word blockchain. This blockchain is the forerunner to the development of crypto into a valuable asset. Even some countries are considered digital money. So what exactly is blockchain? How does it work? What is produced? The following is the explanation according to the co-founder of collective Rhein, Mahatma. Since the name of the crypto industry has expanded globally, and has a value of up to trillions of US dollars. It turns out that the basis of this evolution is from the blockchain. Blockchain itself is an architectural principle which is a combination of several philosophies. Explain Rhein. Blockchain also has some character of its own. First, there is a decentralization. Data that can be stored in many places. Then, in blockchain technology, everyone can make decisions in storing the data. Furthermore, there is crowdsourcing, the ownership and decision making. An example is a company like Gojek that became big. Not the Gojek that provided the vehicle. So that joint decision can be made between workers and the company. Well, if the blockchain goes a step further by crowdsourcing, ownership, and decisions making, everyone can contribute ideas to the blockchain platform, he said. With a database that is connected to each other, making the data immutable or cannot be deleted or edited, so that the nature of the transaction data becomes transparent. But we can also use pseudonyms in the transaction data. The existence of unique characters makes blockchain also bring many impacts and benefits of its own.